What if you could create Hollywood-style cinematic videos in minutes using completely free AI tools? In this tutorial, I compare Pixverse AI and Grok AI to review which one gives the best quality and result for creators. Watch till the end to discover the one tool that could transform your video creation forever. Let's dive in. Okay, let us see how powerful Pixverse AI is in creating cinematic video. We go to Pixverse, yeah, Pixverse AI. We click on Pixverse, okay, Pixverse.ai. So you can see the interface. I already have a T credit. On a daily basis, you have a credit, refresh on a daily basis. And this is it. Okay, we have daily. I have daily credit is 60 credit. If you want to create a video using Pixverse, cinematic video, you click on, you come to the left hand side there, you can see, you click on video, and it gives you several options. We have several options. We have V5.6, and the option you choose will determine, come to the right hand side below here, you see 20 credit. If I decide to select Grok Imagine, then I'm going to be spending like 50 credit here. So, but I'll be using V5.6. Then you can decide to click on this to include the audio. Yeah, you can decide to include the audio. The duration is 5 seconds. If I want to increase the duration to 6, then the credit here is going to increase. So I just want a 5 seconds. Then the next one is resolution. The resolution, we have 360 pixel, 540 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel. I have two free trial left in order to use 720 pixel and 1080 pixel. So I'm going to be using, if I click on 720 pixel, then I'm going to be using a 50 credit. For now, let me click on 540 pixel. 540 pixel. Yeah. So preview mode, no. Aspect ratio, decide to choose 1 by 1, 3 by 4. So I'm taking 16 by 9. 16 by 9. So I have series of prompt here I'm going to use for this tutorial to create a cinematic view. Then a silent battlefield at sunrise. A lone African soldiers in one tactical gyre. Yeah, okay. Am I going to use this or which one should I use? Okay. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this now. Anyway, click on this. Then come here, describe the content you want to create. Then I paste it here. Okay. Let me remove the audio. I may not need the audio for now. Okay, paste it here. And the next thing is to click on the create. Let's see what it gives to us. Oh, let's see. This is it. Okay. We have it. You can see how cinematic it is. Okay, the next thing is to download it. Click on download. Okay, it's downloaded now. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one, the city rain. Okay, let's look at mm, the street musician spotlight. Okay, let's see. Okay, copy this. Okay, go back there and paste it here. And paste it here. Okay. The next thing is to create. Is to create here. Oh yes, we have it here. Okay, you can see. Mm, wow, this is nice. This is nice. Cinematic. So let's download this. Okay. You can see how cinematic it is. You can come to the right hand side and include sound, upscale it, speech, you modify it, or do whatsoever you need to do there. Okay, that is great. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to uh Grok AI and see how better it is. Let's compare with Grok AI. Click on Grok here. Okay, let's see how cinematic Grok AI it is. Remember, when you're writing your prompt, you have to include the kind of style you want, that you want it to be cinematic. So let's look at Grok AI. Let's use the same prompt. This is Grok AI. You go to the left-hand side, click on Imagine. You come to the image here, you click on this image because we are doing text to video. The resolution, you have the option here to choose 480, 720. Choosing 720, you have to register for the premium version, the premium. So what we are choosing here is the default 480 pixel and 6 seconds video duration and 16:9. Then we click on video. So let us paste this prompt and see what it gives to us. How cinematic it is compared to click on enter. Let's see what we have here. I've clicked on the arrow. Oh, you can see this one now. Okay, you can see that is Grok for you. So we click here and now we click here to download. Click here. Yeah. It's downloaded. Let's look at the second prompt because we are comparing the other ones. Okay, street musician spotlight. Let's copy this. Copy this. Go to Grok. Go to Imagine. Then we have the settings already. We paste this. Let's see what we have compared to Pixverse.
Under these lights, my heart sings for you. Every note I play, true.
Wow, this is Grok for you. Okay, let's see.
Under these lights, my heart sings for you. Every note I play, true.
Okay, you can see Grok. I hope you can see. You can compare the two. Let's go to Pixverse and look at this one. Okay. Okay, I can decide to include sound with this, but I didn't include the sound because they don't have enough credit to give me in Pixverse. But Grok AI, in fact, with sound you can create several. You can create several videos, about 20 with sound. But the argument is that which one is better? This is Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Which one is cinematic? Which one is the best? So let's look at this too. This is Pixverse. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I want you to choose which one is better. For cinematic video, which one is the best free? Please, you can write on the comment section. Thank you.